Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Apple Books and reset libraries, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Apple Books on your Mac, open the Applications folder. Locate the Apple Books app in the list. Right-click on the Apple Books icon. Select Move to Trash from the drop-down menu. Now, let's empty the trash to complete the uninstallation. Right-click on the trash icon in the dock. Choose Empty Trash. This will permanently remove Apple Books from your Mac. Next, we will reset your Apple Books library. Open Finder, then click on Go in the menu bar. Select Go to Folder from the drop-down. Type in /library containers and click Go. Look for the folder named com.apple.books. Right-click on this folder and select Move to Trash. This action will reset your Apple Books library. To ensure all data is removed, you may also want to reset the preferences. Again, go to Go in the menu bar. Choose Go to Folder once more. Type in /library preferences and click Go. Find the file named com.apple.bookshelf.plist and delete it. After completing these steps, restart your Mac. Open the App Store to reinstall Apple Books if needed. Your library should now be reset and free of any previous data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.